Good morning, biology students. So today you're going to scroll down. We are on week 11. Open up week 11, and you're going to go to Monday. Okay. Everybody is doing the same thing today, regardless if you're at school, at home, or RLA. Everybody's doing the same thing today. So you're going to open up this egg osmosis Jamboard. So similar to the Jamboard we did a couple weeks ago. What you're going to do is click the three dots next to the share button, then click make a copy, make a prediction of what you think will happen to an egg in each scenario on the Jamboard. We will watch a video and or observe this in demonstration in class Thursday and Friday to see if we were correct. So this is due Friday by 11:59 p.m. Please place a screenshot of your Jamboard into a Google Doc and then upload that, just to make it easier, so I can just see it really quickly. I don't have to click a bunch of links. So this is what it looks like, okay? So what we're going to be doing is predicting, based on osmosis, what will happen to an egg inside water, egg inside salt water, an egg in corn syrup. And we're going to be taking a look at that. So these are going to make predictions, okay? So predict whether so use the arrows to show your prediction of which way the water will diffuse, so into the egg or out of the egg. Use terms like hypertonic, hypotonic, and isotonic for each situation below. Predict whether each egg will gain positive or lose negative mass or stay the same mass, 0. So you'll put those, where you'll just circle positive, negative, or 0 in your prediction, okay? So that's what we're doing first. Then if you come back, so that's just predictions. We're gonna watch that actually happen on Thursday and Friday this week in class, and RLA students will have a video for you, okay? Then we have these osmosis slides, okay? So here's the questions. You're going to open these up. If you want to keep them to study, you need to make your own copy. Do not edit these, okay? Because as you can see, many people will be looking at them. So maybe it's just a good idea to make your own copy, okay? So you're going to do these. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to solve word problems that require analysis of osmosis scenarios. So, for example, number 1, if you soak your hands in dishwasher, you may notice that your skin absorbs the water and swells into wrinkles. This is because your skin cells are blank to the blank. So, hypotonic and hypertonic, you're going to be labeling these, okay? Okay, then the answers are on the next slide, so you can check your own work as you go. Now, when you're doing this, you need to show some evidence of work. So, there's some slides attached to these too, as well. So as you can see, you can pull them up right here. Then there's the same questions. So to answer the questions on this piece of paper, show your work, add labels, arrows. So I should see you labeling hypertonic, hypotonic, which way the water is moving, and draw yourself a picture. So this is where your evidence of your work goes. So I'll have some paper in class for those of you that want to do it handwritten, like drawing the picture, labeling. And you can upload the picture here, or you can type it out. Number 1, the hands are hypotonic. The water around it is hypertonic. You can do however you want, but I need to see evidence of every single question on this sheet, and you need to upload and submit this, okay? So your work must include a drawing that represents the situation, labeling of the areas, the direction of the water movement, and what happens to the cell. Will it shrink, swell, or lyse? Remember, lysing is when cells swell up and burst, or stay the same, okay? Now, last week when we did the osmosis practice problems, this is the answer key. So we might be going over a few of those in class. You might want to take a look at that, especially if you did not score very well. And then let me know if you have any questions. So to do today, you need to predict what will happen to an egg in each situation based on osmosis. And then you need to do these osmosis evidence of work slides. So we're just practicing osmosis today in class, at home, and if you're RLA. Let me know if you have any questions.